Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and update your Streamlabs OBS. This is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, I want to make clear that you can't actually just go ahead and update it from the inside of the application or whatsoever. All you can really do is simply go ahead and close it first. Go ahead into add or remove program, and simply go ahead and uninstall it from your computer. So let me just go ahead and find it. Streamlabs OBS should be somewhere around here. As you can see, it's right here. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this three dot icon, click on uninstall. And finally, once you've uninstalled it, all you need to do is go ahead and open any browser you want and simply go ahead and search for Streamlabs, just like that. And now go ahead and click on the first link and simply go ahead and download it. It is as simple as that. It's going to go ahead and download the latest update and it's going to be working all right. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.